So this is Sprout Pro, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump into our Create workspace and show you what immersive computing is all about. This is our Create application. This is the basic application within Sprout Pro. What it allows me to do is take physical items, like my butterfly and flowers, and bring them into my digital world to work with. Not only does it take them in as individual objects, but also cuts around them so I don't have to spend any time editing them. So what I can do is remove my objects now, and you'll see the detail as they pull up on the side here. From there, I can then bring them straight into my workspace as we discussed and start to manipulate them. One of the things we can do with Create is we can use our stylus or we can use our finger to draw as well. So what I can do is select a colour and start to draw. It's probably not the best idea to be drawing grass in this manner, so what I can do is change to a different pen. In this case, I'll use my highlighter. Obviously make the adjustments to make my brush larger, and I can carry on to draw with my highlighter. So I've drawn there, what I can then do is back out and then make that as large and small as I'd like. So I can manipulate that by making it a lot larger. I can then jump up and show you what it would look like if I print it, so we don't need to worry about staying in the edges. This means you spend more time creating what you want to create and less time doing the fiddly tasks you don't need to. One of the big bonuses is the ability to work with text. Take our hashtag, which is go make things. And I can easily manipulate this by dragging it to the space I want to and making it larger. So here are another few applications I can show you on Sprout Pro. I can take a normal A4 page document that the machine knows, and when I place it on my mat, what it would do is load, in this case, the human body for me to then interact and work with. So where this differs to anything else in the educational sector is it allows the student to really take control of their own learning. They can then choose parts of the body to take out. So I can take out my circulatory system, I can take out my skeleton, zoom in and spin round. Another application we can use is Autodesk Sketchbook. What Sketchbook allows us to do is use the same thing we've potentially just seen, but on a more advanced level. From there, what I can then do if I need to have more detail is choose to either zoom in or zoom out. If you notice on our touchscreen it says exactly where it should be, whereas on that obviously scales accordingly. So I'll open one of our previous documents, and I won't save my lovely artwork. Just open something like that has been previously created by one of our artists, Paul. As I say, much better than my design, but shows you what you can accomplish with Sprout by HP